to Unraveling Lifestyles. I know it's been a while and I apologize for not bringing any vlogs for the past few months since I was a bit caught up with some important work. But today I have something very interesting for you. We are at a beautiful city called Riverston in Sri Lanka, and today's vlog is all about our beautiful stay here in Riverston. First, let me take you on a room tour. We stayed in a hotel called the Riverston Grand and got their 360-degree view room. And guys, the view is just breathtaking from here. The whole place was covered with glass so that you can enjoy the view from every angle. They even had a walk-in sink with some beautiful aesthetics and was so fancy and clean. Can you believe that you get to have a shower with a view? I mean, who wouldn't want that, right? When we reached there, it was around 3 p.m. and we got some tea and got it into the room delivered as well and enjoyed a peaceful evening by the mountains. It was dinner time and we got the dinner also on room service because we were quite tired after the drive from Colombo and dozed off after having some yummy food.
The next day,
we woke up to a cold and windy morning and the weather was just perfect, guys. It was not too hot, neither too cold, and I loved it. Didn't forget to have some me time with a coffee, and it was just peace at its best.
කාලය තුල දිව යනවා කලකී දේවල් පමණක් පසුපස වාගේ දැනෙනවා සෙවණැල්ලා වගේ.
This is their dining area, and even this place had uninterrupted views. Yummy Sri Lankan breakfast. By the way, guys, their food was super nice and hats off to that. And now we are heading out to explore a few places around, and our first stop was a Riverston viewpoint. The drives around these mountains are insane. second spot we are going to go is the famous Sera Ella Waterfalls. Once you reach the place, there is about a 400-meter trail to walk up and down a mountain hill in between a jungle. It was pretty interesting, but if you visit with kids or elderly people, be cautious and ignore the camera glitches.
Hari hari.
Once we reached the rock bottom, there was a beautiful waterfall behind the cave. It was stunning and a definite visit if you ever come to Riverston. Came back to the hotel and witnessed a pretty sunset, had our dinner and went to bed early because we were a bit tired after the ride. It was our last day here at Riverston Grand, and as usual I had my coffee by the window and I was lost in the mountain views. We had a yummy breakfast and checked out their rooftop before we checked out. Guys, it's so peaceful and windy out here, and realize that this is one of the best places to stay in Riverston. Sadly, it was time to leave and we had a great time here, and this is it for today. I'll catch you guys with another interesting video, so stay tuned, subscribe and share channel if you like what you see. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.